Miura Board.
The tech is definitely impressive, but the real question is, how does it look? What can you actually do with it? All right, let's dive into the portfolio and see how Miura Board is shaping our toughest environments, our public and urban spaces.
Wow. Okay, just look at this. This is what I'm talking about. This isn't just a bus shelter anymore, is it? It's functional sculpture. And the only reason you can create these incredible organic shapes is because the material itself is so ridiculously strong. It's visually stunning, yeah, but it's also built like a fortress to handle anything city life can throw at it.
Let's get a little closer here. See those elegant repeating ribs? The way the material is formed, it creates this beautiful play of light and shadow that changes throughout the day. You're not just putting up a piece of infrastructure, you're creating a landmark that actually makes the whole streetscape better. Okay, now for a true icon, the park bench. We've all seen this shape 1,000 times, but this one's different. It's been completely re-engineered from the ground up. It has that same timeless look we all know and love, but without any of the baggage, no splinters, no rot, and no line item in the budget every single year for painting. This thing is built to last for generations. So from the classic, let's jump straight to the contemporary. This slatted bench just shows the incredible stylistic range you're working with. Those clean, strong, monolithic lines are absolutely perfect for modern spaces. Think corporate campuses, museums, you name it. It's definitive proof that durability does not have to sacrifice design.
And here's another workhorse we all recognize, the A-frame picnic table. This is the heart of our parks and community spots. But reimagined in Miura Board, it's built to handle decades of birthday parties, family reunions, and crazy weather, all without ever warping, cracking, or falling apart.
You know, even the most functional items can become a real statement piece. This recycling bin does way more than just hold recyclables. Its entire structure tells a story. I mean, it is literally made from the same kinds of materials it's designed to collect. How perfect is that? And if you pop the hood, you really see the engineering at work. Check out the heavy-duty hardware, the solid, thick walls. This is not some flimsy plastic container. This is a piece of industrial-grade equipment designed for years and years of hard, reliable service. Okay, so we've seen how Miura Board performs in the public arena. Now let's pivot and see how that same incredible performance translates to the world of high-end hospitality and luxury residential design. And here it is. This is where that rugged durability transforms into pure elegance. The clean, flowing lines of this white dining set, it's just a powerful minimalist statement. You can immediately picture this on a high-end hotel pool deck or a chic residential terrace where every single detail matters. This close-up really shows off the material's finesse. Look at those seamless sculptural curves. It feels like it was carved from a single solid block. It feels premium. For years, this kind of design refinement was only possible with materials that would never survive the outdoors. Now, you get both. Now, put yourself in the shoes of a restaurant owner. Imagine this set on your busiest outdoor patio. Day in and day out, it's getting hit with food spills, harsh cleaning chemicals, constant use. But because Miura Board is non-porous and antibacterial, it doesn't stain. It's unbelievably easy to clean. For an operator, that's an absolute dream. But hey, what if you're looking for a more traditional aesthetic? Check this out. This table gives you all the classic warmth and charm of a wooden trestle table, but without any of the headaches or environmental costs. It's a timeless design just built with the performance of tomorrow.
Miura Board.